Have you ever understood every English word? But when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank? If this is you, this video is for you. Meet Ollie. Ollie watches English videos every day. He understands movies. He understands teachers. But when someone says, "Can you speak in English?" Ollie speaks. Actually. Then. Silence. This doesn't mean you're bad at English. This doesn't mean you're weak. It only means one thing. You learned English by listening, not by speaking. Your brain understands English. But your mouth never practiced English. Just like you can understand swimming. But you can't swim without getting in water. But there's a very good news. If you understand English, you're already 50% successful. Speaking is a skill. And skills can be trained. Say this aloud right now after me. Pause the video and say sentence by sentence. Let's start. I understand English when I listen and read, but when I try to speak, I feel nervous and my mind becomes blank. I know the words inside my head, but I am afraid of making mistakes, so I stay quiet. Sometimes people think I don't know English, but the truth is I am just scared to speak. I want to speak confidently and express my thoughts clearly. I know I will improve step by step, and I will not give up on learning English. You are not stupid. You are just untrained. And here on Pause to Speak. We will train together. Subscribe for daily real-life English speaking practice, cause next video is going to be very interesting, how to shamelessly speak English. Till then, peace out.